Hello, my name is Eric Lopez, but I just go by Eric, my first name. My experience with Canvas and Zoom is good because I've used these, many times throughout my community college time. And Google Docs, I'm actually new to it. I've never used it before except for this one time yesterday when we met in class for with our teams. I think it's useful just because it seems like it's a very well organized type of software to use. I feel like it's easy to keep all data there and easy to share with other people so we could all have access to it. So I think it is a really useful thing. Um, Challenges with COVID, I feel like it was just kind of like what everyone basically faced with COVID, like it was hard on everyone, but I feel like it didn't really affect my education just because I was already doing some online classes before. I do prefer online. Well, it's kind of like a half and half because I feel like online is very convenient just because, busy schedules and this and that. So I feel like I like that, but in person just because you get to be there in person interacting with the instructor and other students. So I feel like it just really depends, the subject, the class that you're taking. I do have fast internet and I'm in the Pacific time, and I am okay with Zoom meetings. I feel like that those are actually very good in a way sometimes just because you don't have to drive all the way to school and this and that. I do speak two languages, English and Spanish, very fluent in Spanish. My hometown is Parlier, but I currently live in Orange Cove. I working only a part-time job right now. I was doing two part-time jobs, working over 55, 60 hours a week, but right now because of, being a full-time student, having all four of my classes in person, I need to stick to only one part-time job, which is 30 hours a week. I work as an instructional aide in elementary school. I work with all grades, but mostly focus like in class time with lower grades like kinder, first, and second. And yeah, this is my first semester at Fresno State. I'm excited to see how it's going to be, a step closer to my career, and I'm hoping for a very successful first semester.